Welcome to the enchanting city of Venice, Italy. Our journey begins with the iconic Constitution Bridge, or Ponte della Costituzione, a masterpiece designed by Spanish architect Santiago Calatrava and completed in 2008. However, this architectural wonder sparked controversy since its inception in 1999, thanks to its unique design and location. Exploring the Grand Canal. As we traverse the Grand Canal, you'll witness the heart and soul of Venice. This canal, spanning roughly 3.8 kilometers (2.36 miles), is the largest and most vital waterway in the city. It's a true Venetian gem. Santa Lucia train station. Located right on the Grand Canal, the Santa Lucia train station is Venice's main transportation hub. Only one of 4 bridges to span the Grand Canal, it was constructed in 1934 to replace an aging iron bridge. Vaporetto and canal details. Chiesa di San Marcuola. Across the canal lies the Chiesa di San Marcuola, a stunning Catholic church with a history dating back to the 12th century. Vaporetto Lines 1 and 2. Vaporetto Lines 1 and 2 offer a scenic route along the Grand Canal, linking San Marco and Piazzale Roma. Venice Natural History Museum. Here, we pass the Venice Natural History Museum, founded in 1923. As of August 2018, the Grand Canal and some smaller canals prohibited recreational boats like canoes and kayaks. Embrace the Venetian experience. Though vaporettos are convenient, they can get crowded. To truly savor the essence of Venice, consider hiring a private boat or indulging in a romantic gondola ride. Gondolas, true icons of Venice. Venice wouldn't be complete without its iconic gondolas. Each gondola is a labor of love, requiring 280 separate pieces of timber and around €40,000 to build. These boats are specifically designed for the Venetian canals, devoid of keels or rudders. Instead, they're steered by a gondolier standing at the stern. Rialto Bridge and Gondola Insights. The Rialto Bridge is a Venice landmark, and as you've noticed, gondolas are an integral part of the city's charm. They've all been painted black since the 16th century due to a decree by the Doge of Venice, though they used to be vibrant and ornate. Gondolas were initially used by Venetian nobles to display their status. Today, there are only around 400 gondolas and 400 gondoliers in Venice. To become a gondolier, one must undergo 400 hours of training, and only a select few earn their gondolier's license each year. In 2010, Giorgia Boscolo made history as the first woman to obtain her gondolier's license. Basilica di Santa Maria della Salute. The grand domed church on the horizon is the Basilica di Santa Maria della Salute, built in 1681. This remarkable structure was erected in response to the plague that ravaged Venice in 1630. At 1 hour 23 minutes and 4 seconds, we'll veer left, approaching the red umbrellas and the captivating building from 1682, which originally served as a sea customs house. After abandonment in 1980, it was reborn as an art exhibition hall in 2009. Piazza San Marco and its splendors. Behold the striking street. Marx Campanile, Venice's tallest edifice, and the Doge's Palace, constructed in 1340. Directly behind is St. Mark's Basilica, completed in 1092. The public library, the Library of St. Mark, is the narrow white building underneath the bell tower and